I'm criminal defense attorney Neil Shouse with Shouse California Law Group. Let's talk about Assembly Bill 109, also called Realignment. This California law was passed in 2011 and changes where certain felony offenders serve their time. Instead of going to state prison, people convicted of non-serious, non-violent, and non-sexual felonies can now serve their sentences in county jail or under mandatory supervision, similar to probation. This shift happened because California's state prisons were severely overcrowded. But the law says the purpose was to reduce repeat offenses, not just to ease crowding. Realignment amended about 500 statutes, including Penal Code 459 for commercial burglary and Penal Code 470 for forgery. These are now punished under Penal Code Section 1170H, often meaning county jail time or out-of-custody supervision. However, if you're convicted of serious or violent felonies like robbery or crimes requiring sex offender registration, you're still eligible for state prison. And if you have prior convictions for these disqualifying crimes, realignment won't apply to you. Finally, if you're released after serving time for a realigned offense, you'll be supervised by county probation officers through a program called Post-Release Community Supervision. If you or a loved one is facing criminal charges, call us for a free consultation at 855-999-7755. We will fight to get your charges reduced or dismissed.